office jong ka district AIDS control officer Bhoi District mentaka sngi ka khata tregun nailar kala Rakhe ïaka international youth day bat ha ka ju ka por ban yalap sha ke samla pule kum ka jingtip ka jinghikai bat ka jingpanya day bat ka IEC campaign ha ka baya day bat ka jingpang HIV AIDS ïaka te ka program la stang shwa da ka jingyai rally rangkat ka jingra plakat ha surok ba national highway nadu na paham sim la penkut pat da ka jingyalang ha Bhoi college kabalai shimbanta da ki samla pule kum juru ki nongtre ka tanat ka koi ka khya ha ka ne ka sngi lawan banya don banta lang da u abhilash bharanwal u IAS officer ubade deputy commissioner ka Bhoi district ha ka jingya don lang ka Dr. E Kalwing district AIDS control officer ka Bhoi district ka kong E khar kongor principal ka Bhoi college ki samla pule lembat ki nongtre ka koi ka khya
pressure from parents, from teachers, from society. Many face uncertainty, temptation, and confusion, often without a proper guidance, either from parents or from teachers or from their mentors. So let us reflect on some of the major challenges of our youth of the boy they face. Substance abuse and addiction. Many young people experiment with drugs, alcohol, or tobacco. As the reports of the Long Times on Sunday, it shows that as young as 10 years, they have experimented with drugs. So what starts as a fun or a peer pressure soon become dependent. Injection drugs use also increase the risk of HIV/AIDS transmission, which is a major concern in our district. Then number two, the lack of awareness of sexual health. Despite growing access to information, many youth lack accurate knowledge about sex, HIV, sexually transmitted infections, what we call STIs, and pregnancy prevention. Misinformation and stigma often stop them from seeking help until it is too late. And mental health issues, mental health struggles, depression, anxiety, and loneliness are young issues. Social media often creates a false sense of perfection through the likes and share of people. Many suffer silently because they are afraid to be judged or misunderstood. Moral and spiritual confusion, with so many voices telling them what is right and wrong from social media, from Facebook, from other platforms. Many struggle to find their own identity. They struggle to find the values and purposes. Materialism and moral compromise are becoming more common. Unemployment and loss of direction. Many young people today complete school but will know their path ahead. Many unemployed youth in our district. The absence of guidance, skills and opportunity are informed. Choose wisely.
Addicted to any drug. Nobody who is using drugs or who is using alcohol plans to become addicted to it. Nobody who is alcohol plans to become a drunkard. And that's a fact. You can discuss with anyone. Everyone thinks that they are the epitome of self-control, that they will be able to stop as and when they want, or they are only using it for fun, or maybe to provide them relief of circumstances which are too difficult to tolerate otherwise. Maybe they are going through a breakup, maybe they have just had a failure in examinations, maybe they have just had an argument with their parents, maybe whatever might be the circumstances. The point is, and again to emphasize, nobody who is currently an addict or is a drunkard plan that they will become so. They were like you only, they were like me only. It's just that the red line which one has to cross to fall into that category where they cannot live without these substances is so difficult to spot. And that discretion to be able to spot that red line, that probably I'm not the one who is controlling my behavior anymore, I'm not the one who is controlling my urge to take these substances anymore. It's rather the substance which is controlling me, and these urges have become far more frequent. This ability to spot it further diminishes as people start using it. So the responsibility, people generally say that it is true that whether somebody becomes an addicted person, somebody starts using drug or not, it's a culmination of different factors. But the single most important factor is the personal will. Whether the person himself or herself wanted to take the drug or not. Whether they fell into the peer pressure or not. Because for every one person who is addicted, you have 99 others who are not addicted. Correct? They have also come from the same society, more or less they have had the same set of parents. Even in a family, you will see that somebody is addicted and somebody is a teetotaler.